Hi all, welcome back to Nart Studio. Today we will see an origami leaf. For this you will need three sizes: 4 centimeter by 4 centimeter, 6 into 6 and 8 into 8. First I'm just doing it in 8 by 8 centimeter, fold it into half and like this into two halves. Make sure that one half is at the back side like this. Now open it and make it a square shape. You will need to make a triangle like this on the open side, not on the closed side. Okay, now just open everything. Can you see the crease over here? Just flip this back side like this, all the creases. Now just bend in the middle part and join the three corners as I have shown in the video. Just join the 3 points, bend in the center, okay, so that it will join easily. Now just open like this and see, okay, these 3 corners. Now open it in the center like this so that it will look like leaf, okay, or 3 petal. I've made few. I'll show you how to insert it, okay. Just put it in the center leaf like this. Can you see? You can stack how much ever you want. I have done 3, as in like same for do all the sizes. Hope you all like the video. Thank you so much for watching.